All right, welcome to the report for today, Tuesday, June 29th. If you've been outside today, it was probably the most oppressive day of the summer so far. Got into the low to mid 90s for temperatures right now in Washington, D.C. Past 7 o'clock p.m., it's 89 degrees still, which is quite hot for this time of day. And combined with a dew point of 68 degrees, it feels like 93 degrees, which is pretty oppressive at 7 o'clock in the evening. Again, it was hotter earlier this afternoon. It's dropped off just a little bit. And unfortunately, it looks like we're going to see the peak of the heat wave tomorrow. So today wasn't the worst of it. It looks like tomorrow is going to be the worst of it with heat and humidity combined. After a low tonight of just 75 degrees, barely seeing temperatures dropping off thanks to the high humidity, it's going to be even hotter tomorrow. 95 degrees for high forecasted by the National Weather Service tomorrow. Some of the models suggest it could be even hotter than that. But combined with the humidity, it's going to feel like potentially the low 100s. So definitely, probably the worst of this heat wave is going to be saved for tomorrow. After that, small chance of storms tomorrow night, but I say the bigger chance of storms is definitely going to be late Thursday and Thursday night and Friday. Thursday is sort of the transition day, still high of around 90 degrees. It really depends on when the storms arrive. If they come in earlier, temperatures could be lower. If they come in later, we could get back into the low 90s again. And then past that, we've got Friday dropping substantially, 80 degrees for a high on Friday, 79 degrees on Saturday. And Independence Day actually looks good because the rain chances drop down to only about 30%, and high forecasted only to be around 79 degrees. So it looks like a pretty good Independence Day, followed by Monday, a high of 85, Tuesday, high around 89, which is not too terrible. But just taking a look at the maps here, this is the forecasted temperature by the European model tomorrow at 3 o'clock. It is really steamy out there, upper 90s, near 100 towards the southwestern areas. It might not, sometimes the temperatures are overestimated a little bit on the models, but mid to upper 90s certainly looks like it could be within reach. This is the European model. The American model pretty much shows the same thing, 99 right around DC. Again, that's probably a little bit overestimated. But it is, regardless, it's going to be really oppressive. Last thing to show is probably the storm situation on Thursday. So if I just change the parameters here to significant weather, and obviously nothing tomorrow afternoon, but Thursday, much of a different story. Thursday at 4 o'clock p.m., scattered shower storms. It's probably going to continue through most of the afternoon, looking at 7 o'clock p.m., more scattered showers, thunderstorms, 7 o'clock p.m., continuing into 10 o'clock p.m., or scattered showers, some thunder, some lightning possible as well. Probably not too much in the way of severe activity, but definitely could still see this continue even well into Thursday night and even Friday. The rain could become even a little bit more widespread at that point. Just sort of a widespread light to moderate rain. This continues Friday morning, starts to move more to the southeast. Friday afternoon, more scattered showers. Okay, even as we continue into Saturday, let's say at 1 o'clock p.m., it's a few scattered showers around, but the highest chances of rain and storms looks to be Thursday night, and then into the day on Friday. After that, the weekend, still some rain chances here and there, but much less widespread than Thursday and Friday. As the cold front comes through Thursday and Friday, that's going to be the main period to watch. But other than that, the weekend, not too terrible. Independence Day looks pretty good. And then next week, it looks like probably another dry, sort of hot week. Not as hot as this week, but a typical July summer-like heat. Okay, we'll check back in tomorrow. We'll talk a little bit more about the rain situation for Thursday and through the weekend.